Hey, what's up there, everybody? This is Sean with Suncoast Films. This is some video that I took with my GoPro in the car, going through the mountains a couple times in San Diego, heading to El Centro. And I want you all to know that the GoPro did the filming. My eyes were on the road the whole time. And I just held it out the window to enjoy. This is what I love to do. I love to film. And there's some ghost hunting coming up, you better believe me. But you know me, I like to roll cameras. So enjoy. Look at these rocks right there. And about 50 miles outside of El Centro. This is just absolutely amazing. Feel the pressure in your ears a little bit. And I know the windows are a little dirty, but at least you get to see the mountains. It's beautiful. About 4,000 feet right now. So, look at this big mountain right here. Look at that thing. Looks like we're going down a little bit too. You can see the thing. Then over here, the wind is a little dirty, but man, give you an idea. Give you an idea of how these freaking mountains are beautiful, man. So looks like there's some more windmills up here too. Gotta really watch it, man, because it's kind of winding around. Look at this. It's beautiful. What kind of hairpin turns here, man, so I gotta be careful. It just says we left San Diego County, so we're heading to El Centro. But there's some more here. Crazy, man. It's absolutely beautiful.